On Monday, February 6th, around 4 a.m. local time, two big rocks under the ground moved past each other just 12 miles below southern Turkey and northern Syria. This caused a very big earthquake with a number of 7.8, which means it was extremely strong. It was the biggest earthquake to hit Turkey in over 80 years. Then, just 9 hours later, at around 1 p.m. local time, there was another earthquake in the same area, which was also very strong with a number of 7.5. The two very strong earthquakes happened one after another and caused a lot of damage. Thousands of buildings fell down and sadly, more than 20,000 people lost their lives. This created a big problem for the people who lived there and made their lives even harder. The earthquake center was near the city of Gaziantep, where many Syrian refugees live. The city of Aleppo in Syria, which was already destroyed by a civil war, was also hit hard by the earthquakes. Scientists who study earthquakes say that Turkey is a place where the ground is always moving because three big rocks under the ground are touching and affecting each other. Two big crack lines around Turkey are also pushing the country slowly towards the sea. However, a lot of buildings in the area are not made to be strong enough to handle big earthquakes, as explained by the U.S. Geological Survey. This makes the damage worse when there is an earthquake. There are two big cracks in the ground in Turkey, called the North Anatolian Fault and the East Anatolian Fault. These cracks are slowly pushing Turkey towards the Mediterranean Sea. This can cause a big problem because it means that the area is more likely to have earthquakes. The cities of Antakya and Kahramanmaraş in southern Turkey were severely impacted by the earthquakes. In one particular visual, numerous small emergency shelters are seen set up in a football stadium, suggesting the significant scale of displacement and disruption caused by the disaster. Furthermore, a once vibrant city block with multiple buildings and wide roads has been reduced to rubble, as rescue teams work diligently to save as many lives as they can following the earthquake. Experts in the field have emphasized that the vast majority of those who can be rescued are typically found within the first 3 days after the quake strikes. In the midst of these rescue efforts, there have been emotional stories shared about individuals of all ages who have been pulled from the rubble and debris of collapsed buildings, offering some hope amid the devastation. The first 72 hours are considered critical. Stephen Godby, a natural hazards expert at England's Nottingham Trent University, told the Associated Press. The survival ratio on average within 24 hours is 74%. After 72 hours it is 22%, and by the 5th day it is 6%. Over 110,000 people are taking part in rescue efforts and over 5,500 vehicles, including tractors, cranes, bulldozers, and excavators, have been deployed.